Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect printer to Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. First you need to open the setting app on your phone, then scroll down and find the connection and sharing. Click on it. Here select the printing, and here you can use the system printing service. Turn on this option and here you can find your printer and using it. But first you need to turn on your printer and connect to your device, and you can use another service, for example add service, and here you can find desired service and download it app and then use your printer with this service. And that's all for today. Goodbye.